Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to Sileo in another episode. Every time that I make a new content, I try to include whatever I discovered in my daily routine. And today was no different. Y'all saw that 4 days ago I discovered Balinese. It's a different location today, but it's the same franchise where I had the same breakfast for the past 3 days. While I was there, I discovered that this coffee shop complemented 7-Eleven convenience stores. And that's the most surprising thing that I saw today. Let's explore the 7-Eleven. Still about my routine, after breakfast I did my morning workout. Up to that point, I had planned to do some content about another great place for lunch, but what happened next wasn't what I was expected. Anyway, after shower, I started to enjoy some pool time. 1 minute I was having fun, and the next, this weather reminded me that we were in rainy season. So that was it. I hope that y'all appreciate this content just like I did making it. Thank you for watching. Shout out to all of my subscribers for your likes, your comments, and your shares. Have a good one. Peace. I'm out.